Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to diaper rash. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. When diaper rash symptoms appear, use any of the following after gently cleaning and patting their bottoms dry. Allow your preferred natural solution to soak in before putting on a fresh diaper. Cocoa butter. This multi-purpose oil has antifungal and antibacterial characteristics that can destroy the candida that causes diaper rashes. It also lowers inflammation and promotes hydration while acting as a barrier between the baby's rash and their diaper. It's essentially a one-stop store. A little goes a long way, and if your kid does not have a coconut allergy, coconut oil can be a safe and effective natural cure for diaper rash. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used to treat diaper rashes caused by fungal or yeast infections. The fermented liquid eliminates germs that cause the rash and stops yeast development. Before using, combine 1 part ACV with 3 parts water and dab it on the diaper rash using your fingertips or a soft towel. Because apple cider vinegar is quite drying, we recommend using it sparingly and exclusively on fungal rashes. To keep moisture in place, apply a good smear of coconut oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Natural itch relief can be obtained by treating the rash with olive oil, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial characteristics. Olive oil is also incredibly nutritious and hydrating, so it can help relieve any pain or discomfort caused by the rash. In this case, too, a little goes a long way. Spray with honey and chamomile. Make a super soothing, all-natural antibacterial spray by combining 1 teaspoon raw honey with 2 cups chamomile tea and transferring the concoction to a tiny spray bottle to spray straight into baby's bottom. Let it cool completely first. This is a nice mixture to put on the changing table since it offers children extra playtime while it dries. Baths with oatmeal. Oatmeal is very soothing to the skin, and you can easily add it to your baby's bath to heal their diaper rash in a natural way. Baths with baking soda. Baking soda is an alkalizing agent that works well as a natural diaper rash cure. To help relieve discomfort and reduce redness from a rash, add a scoop to their bath. To keep the area wet, thoroughly clean it, pat it dry, and apply a moisturizing cream or coconut oil. Yogurt in its purest form. Yogurt, which is high in probiotics and beneficial bacteria, aids in the restoration of the skin's natural healing capabilities. Its cold and tasty texture helps to relax the region and bring relief to your infant. Before replacing another diaper, thoroughly clean and dry the area. Because extra sugars may aggravate the rash, we prefer plain, unsweetened yogurt for this. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is a pantry staple that works similarly to baby powder in that it keeps the afflicted region dry and creates a barrier that allows the rash to heal faster. This is especially useful on hot days when moisture tends to build in your baby's buttocks or those gorgeous little thigh rolls. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory characteristics and is extremely calming, which is why we recommend it and put a tiny bit in our bamboo diapers and wipes. To guarantee that you are getting the full benefits, pick a pure form of aloe, such as straight from the plant or aloe vera juice, not gel. You may also improve the benefits by adding essential oils, such as relaxing lavender, if you have them. Sunshine and airtime. Giving our skin some space and plain old fresh air can sometimes allow it to perform its work and heal itself without the need for pricey creams or extra treatments. That is why we recommend plenty of diaper-free time, not just to cure diaper rash naturally, but also to avoid diaper rash naturally.